everyone, welcome back to my channel, Thiago here. Today, I'm checking out this brand new Redmi Watch 5, which I just picked up from AliExpress. And honestly, with the deals that AliExpress has at the moment, this might be one of the best smartwatches that you can grab right now. AliExpress is celebrating their 16th anniversary, so prices are dropping all over the place. And guess what? If you order through my link, you can even get 10% of cashback. I'll explain how that works in a moment. Let's start with the review of the Redmi Watch 5. So, a quick unboxing. Inside the box, you get the watch, the magnetic charger, and the usual paperwork. Simple, clean, nothing extra. But the moment you pick up the watch, it feels surprisingly premium for the price. The strap is soft, the body feels solid, and the whole thing is lightweight enough to wear it all day without noticing it. Once you power it on, the display is the first thing that stands out. It's bright, sharp, and easy to see whether you are indoors or outside. The bezels are slim, the animations are smooth, and the watch faces look really good. It's the kind of design that works for workouts, office days, or casual everyday use. Nothing about it feels cheap. Now, let's talk about what it can actually do. You have got a heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen tracking, sleep tracking, step counting, and a whole range of sports modes. Notifications come through clearly, the vibrations motor feels nice, and the UI is responsive. Swapping through menus is smooth, and the battery life is impressive, easily lasting several days depending on how you use it. For something at this price point, the performance is honestly better than I expected. Let's see the app next. Of course, a smartwatch is only as good as the app behind it, and the Redmi Watch 5 pairs with the Mi Fitness app. The setup is quick. You just open the app, tap to add the watch, and it connects almost instantly. Inside the app, you can see all your health data laid out clearly, from your heart rate history, from your sleep patterns and workout summaries. You can also customize watch faces, tweak notifications, and adjust settings, and even update the firmware. Everything is organized, easy to navigate, and it makes the whole experience feel more complete. As we are coming towards the end, why I think the Redmi Watch 5 is a good watch? Well, the Redmi Watch 5 is one of the best budget smartwatches you can buy right now. It delivers a bright, sharp display, smooth performance, and a comfortable, lightweight design that feels great on the wrist all day. The health tracking is reliable. The battery life lasts several days on a single charge. The Mi Fitness app ties up everything together with the clear insights and easy customization. For the price, it offers a level of polish and functionality that genuinely punches above its weight, making it an excellent choice for everyone who wants a stylish, capable smartwatch without spending a fortune. So why did I pick this one up? It's simple. Value. You are getting a clean design, solid features, and a great battery life without spending a fortune. And with the AliExpress anniversary, deals are happening right now. The price drops even more. It's one of those products where you look at what you're paying and what you're getting, and it just makes sense. And here's the part that makes it even better. AliExpress is celebrating their 16th anniversary, which means tons of products, including the Redmi Watch 5, are discounted right now. And if you use my link, you can get up to 10% cashback on your order. That means you have saving money and earning money at the same time. You can even join my team and start earning cashback every time you shop on AliExpress. It's free, it's easier, and it actually adds up. And that's it, guys. So, if you have been thinking about getting a smartwatch, this might be the right moment. The Redmi 5 is a great pick. The deals are live, and the cashback makes it even sweeter. Check the link in the description and grab yours, and start earning cashback today. Thanks for watching, guys. Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.